Yeah, good night. Another this, manners and respect. Another this.
Yeah.
Yeah, me G. Apache catch at to Zane.
Who's Patrick?
I turn me forward from man, but it's a question I call if you accept dog. Cause right now, how you Sonny you know?
You saying how this?
You Sonny you know nothing.
No?
You better make bumbo clot show no boy. What you mean by you Sonny you know nothing? What you say talk up no man?
Yeah, that one.
What you say you Sonny you know in a nothing or no in a something? What you say?
Now you're right this up.
How that?
Patrick.
Where's Patrick? So only after the person man, you know, they don't know how me there.
How the blood clot is? Sonia? No, if you embarrass the girl so bad, man, this one again. How the... No, if you do that, youth. And the girl right beside her, you have some wicked, yo. No, this one nigga, John no Sonia. John, Sonia feel that, you know. I know Sonia feel that to her heart, soul and body. Well, I did back her back him this one, or in front of her face. John Wanado. Wicked piece of boy, man. Afraid him afraid. You know, say afraid him afraid. Afraid. I saw him afraid of Patrick voice. I want to never see the face. Supposed to be just see the face. Man, I get some news right now. My uncle tell me no youth. And I know some uncle, eh?
What that?
My uncle tell me say, yo, you see him in a town. I don't even know which part in a town you see. But him say every time you see him, you text it upon him. You feel up him and man lost him fear, oh God, man. And him beg you fear you.
What you no come from my phone? What you no come from my phone and them things?
And I cope this, bad man.
Man, me I tell that, brother.
What the bumbo clock that boy? And I cope this. What him do? Yo, cope, I call you with respect, you know, my G.
Brother, you call me and I chat fuck for that, me and talk.
So if I know you just talk to you, make yourself look guilty now, cope.
Yeah, what's up, your mother, man?
Oh, well, yo, cool, bad man. You see how me I talk to you with respect, you. Now, hold my composure.
I don't care if you talk to me with respect. You call me and I talk about feel up, man. I cannot say that, Charlie.
Bad man, but a dirty Ella come tell me, you.
My youth, right now, man, chipping a lot.
You make yourself look guilty. I mean, off a page, you're in a body, boy. You hear me, I tell you.
What's up, your mother, man?
You hear me told you. What you say? Body boy, what you say? Talk up.
After that. Yeah, smarty.
How that body boy? How you the boy?
Yeah, smarty pussy.
You're guilty. You know, say you're guilty. I say, me
man, how you, man?
I say, man beg you fear you right now, man, but you mean to tell me say you bust up your man, but fear, bad man?
I can't don't, man, bum, fuck, clear phone there, like, saying some butting.
Cope, how are you upon you? How are you upon?
Yo.
How are you upon, Cope? How are you the boy?
Oh, yeah, man, I call man, for king upon you. Yo.
Yeah.
How about?
I cope my call to chat, because you know some my uncle tell me say, yo, a boy, every time a boy see my uncle in a town, you know, he might touch up my uncle a certain way, and my uncle lost him fear the other day, and beg him man a fear. I mean, I tell you say, right now, my uncle, the younger thing I can tell you say, man, but he bust up right now. I don't know if we got a station or what.
No, wrong man with that.
And I cope.
No, I cope, man, but I wrong cope that.
So you what?
No, man, I wrong. No, man, I wrong one, man, I wrong cope, man.
Batty boy, how you do? I take up for money, you know man, I do a road.
I go to talk about them, man.
How that batty boy, how you do boy?
Oh, I'm ready.
You punk man, I say me page your youth. If me ever page your youth.
Yo, how can I... You say,
I'm like a idiot, you're a fool, you.
Yeah, cool dog.
Don't move. Bow. You want to see where?
I should go to you. I should go.
Hey boy, don't move.
If you shot me a body, man.
Better you can't do that.
Remember, me can't do that. I just said it a while ago that I rule like game.
Alright, go on. Don't move. Pow!
Shoot me again.
Pow!
Shoot me again, brother.
Bow. What?
Shoot me again, brother.
Yeah, man, I say I quit ya, man.
Dunce. Papa.
Most time I tell you don't touch it,
Papa, sorry.
Most time I tell you don't like this.
Papa, but me too, I'm going to Papa.
Most time I tell you don't like this.
Papa, please. Please, Papa.
I'm gonna stick past dirty.
Papa, please.
Yeah, if you're not supposed to know, you got school Monday.
Papa, remember my skin allergic to leak. Yeah, remember me not forget to beaten because then I get beaten. I won't go to hospital. Sorry, Papa.
Hey! Auntie, I send you up, man. So sweet. Oh, watch me nephew.
Yeah.
You turn such a big boy.
Yeah, him say me fi come spend holiday with you at town.
Yes, man, me know, man. Come, man. Oh, you tired of one little juice?
Yeah.
All
Can I
right.
sit down here, sir?
Now, man, me show you a room because you're inside waiting on you. Such a big boy. Hold on, sit down just a little bit because inside kind of hot. Me go put you one little juice. Maybe you make suck for you. I want me to you. Oh, them hurt you? Them shoot you? Them kill you? No, what is it? It's gone, man. No, them hurt you.
Me want to go home back. Me want to go home back. Daddy can't leave me. Me want to go home back.
No.
Me want to go home. Me want to go home.
All right, turn the ball. You must stop.
Yo, daddy say if you come clean out the house.
I
clean up, wipe out
today. I hear day, brother. I'm not clean up.
So why if I'm idea?
I hear a day today.
Daddy say you go clean
No,
out
I'm
the
not
thing,
clean the house.
Get up and clean the thing, brother. You know, you cannot talk back to daddy and I talk back to... I mean, I bigger one, yeah?
My business is one bigger
I mean,
one.
a bigger one, yeah?
You
You clean out that, man. And talk
Me not
like you're a
clean
bad
house,
boy.
I'm not clean the house, brother.
Go clean, all right. Don't clean out your seat, daddy don't lick you in your face.
Daddy cool.
When he lick you in your face, I'm going to help him lick you in your face, yeah? Actually, you catch second from you think you're a bad boy. You lick you in your face, yeah?
You want me go with Clifton? I'll be Clifton, call Clifton for him.
No, call Clifton. Call Clifton. You know how long me and daddy want to kill Clifton? Ramp with me.
Yo, brother, are you near me KFC out of fridge?
Which KFC?
Brother, are you near me
no KFC never.
Are you near me KFC out of fridge?
If you alright, if you near me KFC, and what?
We are near me KFC for
Ah,
them.
what?
KFC for me, brother.
So why if daddy...
Brother, nobody touch me KFC, brother.
Winston, come hold this. Winston, come hold this. So you don't want to... You know,
Me
say
lick
big
you.
one. No, ramp with me, girl. What's up, Phil? Come on, man. Me show you. Cause daddy now beat you from with you, me. I show you who me is. Yeah,
You
look
can't
at me.
lick me because I can't Clifton for you.
You call him.
You can't Clifton and the uncle for you. Uncle.
Walk on in my yard. Stop. Stop it. Stop that.
Beat him. I him thumping in your face.
Shut your mouth. What kind of word is it? You saw you lick me upon my nose which a while ago, Jaffet. We're not supposed to live in a unity. Why every other brother or sister can live good? But who know if you are war.
I'm the one because you the fridge and...
Tell him no one else is sorry, man. Tell him sorry, Jaffet.
I am sorry. I am sorry, Marvin.
Tell him sorry now, Marvin.
I am sorry.
No, how can no one another know? backside. You know, live in a unity, man. Me they don't panic, don't be a war. Dunce, what you deal with? Then I better you not tell me I walk. So you know, so me do one piece of work and the people them overpay me. I beer money me have here now. I beer money. Me have beer money. So you know want more money? Mad. Like mad dance. So you have your money, come I go for my money now. Me and my money for me, man. Where your money there? A school now, man. Dunce, what you do with them? What I mean? So now be your money this. Me think you say you have enough money, Dunce. I bet, bro. Enough man have 8 money, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 money this, bro. Enough man have this, youth. Enough money this, bro. January youth, so all of this 5,000 and this 100,000 where the man them they are give me should and take it. The man them give me 8 money and take it 100,000 man.
Pinking have 1 man, pinking have 2 man, pinking have 3 man, pinking have 4, pinking have 5 man.
Yo, Pinky brother. Hey? How did I back up dance with them with it?
Where did I dance with? The gunshot?
Okay.
Thank you. Me tell you. You see?
Pinky look brother. How did I back up dance with them? Rest of back up dance with them.
The gunshot? Wow. That's 2 with him. Marcus Gravy.
Oh, Pinky little brother, you know if a man them sit down here and wait for you.
To what?
I want to back up dance to them with your dance with. Me, they dance with.
Big John.
Nah, none but me have your fear.
Why? Well on.
You can't tell when I'm drinking.
No.
Yes, I did that run, me tired, you know.
So then say,
I miss speak dry, well on.
Alright, tips little. And then tell me.
Whoa. Bigger shoulder.
Yeah.
Well,
And use them too.
Yeah.
I want to back up dance to them.
Who them be?
Otherwise, for me, rest of them, I wouldn't.
Well, I'm not Pinky man.
Oh, you don't know
what you
Pinky
say?
and me woman.
Bro, I chop my drive, you know, me crash with there, you know.
And the cameraman too. You don't know say Pinky and me woman.
But Pinky and my woman.
have a woman too.
She love we too.
We too.
Yeah.
How when you get that?
I know one Pinky, I pick your whole part of that man. I'll mechanic man. Man with 2 foot and 1 hand.